There's a big company there. What's the name?
Steam coming off the tank. It's cold. It's 12 degrees.
Wow. 12 degrees. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. So ngayon, it's very, very rainy and so wet and cold. So wala kaming magagawa. Meron pala. Just finished work and then gusto namin pumunta sa beach kasi tingnan namin yung beach na kung ang laki-laki ng wave kasi since yesterday pa umuulan dito. So look, ang babaha dito. We're here. Look at where are we now? Love, sinasong namin ang baha, guys. Rain or shine, basta dili mag-uwan. Look at that! It's very, very cold. It's so freezing. Oh my God! Look.
It's too fast.
No! Shit me! My God! Look at, guys, the wave. Wow. We're here in Shellhaven River. But we're in the other side of Shellhaven. Oh, big wave. Yep. Look, the umbrella, darling.
No, you can't do anything about it. That's the way it is.
Look at the cell phone, darling. It's wet now.
What?
It's wet.
What?
The cell phone.
We'll go inside.
Where?
I'm just having a look. I want to have a look. Look at the waves going in different directions.
Really? That's the view for today, guys. So, ang grabe yung alon, ang lakas-lakas. It's really raining here. So, wow. It's very windy. Look at our umbrella, guys. Oh. Look at our umbrella. It's turning upside down. Look at my man. It's really raining. It's really, really wet. That's a Shellhaven Heads Beach Patrol there. So, look at the umbrella. Umbrella, Ella. Nabali ang... Look at the umbrella sa lakas ng hangin, guys. Nabali talaga siya. Promise. So, yung park, guys. So, wala talagang tao kasi sa lakas ng ulan. Wow! Amazing! Amazing! Why you come here for? Guys, binaha talaga. Oh, super baha. Oh, soaking wet. So for 12 hours rain. Guys, so we're going home na. Sobrang lamig talaga. Iba din naman ang tama, guys, sa naming mag-asawa. Kahit umuulan, lalabas talaga kasi gustong makita ang malaking waves sa may dagat. So, yan. Ayun. Oh, so tingnan mo guys, ang baha talaga niya. Kasi since yesterday pa umulan dito, so maybe it's, until tomorrow it's still raining, darling. It's gonna flood all over the place, no? It's gonna stop soon kasi sobra-sobra na din yung tubig. It's not good. Too much. It's not good too. Too much love, too much water, too much everything. Guys, I'm home na. Nakakauwi lang. At tingnan mo yung kahoy sa likod. natutulog siya guys kasi winter kasi. Pag ano na, after winter, mabubuhay naman yan. Home, sweetie home, home, sweetie home. Lakas talaga yung tama guys. Kahit umuulan, lumalabas. Ano ba tong taon to? Tingnan mo yung umbrella. This video guys, magluto ako ng prawn. So, yan. Lagay ko na yung onion with an oil. Tapos yung onion until brown. Australian extra large green tiger prawns. Tapos lagyan ko ng garlic. Para sprinkle of garlic. Yung prawn, yung cream prawn. At saka sinusuko siya ng lemonade. Para masarap. At yan, lemonade. Sugar zero. At saka salt and pepper. Salt. So, lagyan ko siya ng garlic. Tapos na, lagyan ko ng ginger. At yung ground pepper. Na yun guys, ilunod ko na yung ihalo ko na yung prawn. Lagay ko na yung prawn. I put the lemonade water.
Oh, put hot water in them. Yeah, let them cook. Put a lid on.
So, nilagay ko na yung lemonade instead of water. So, pang padagdag ng lasa. At then, I gonna put some salt. Lagyan ko ng salt. Estimate ko lang. No. Lagyan ng little bit of water, hot water ng may nakikialam guys. Sa niluluto ko. Please help to open. Thank you. So, little bit of ginger. So, I will wait until it's boiled and it's going to turn into. So, nagbo-boil na siya guys. Nag-orange na. So, nearly cooked na yung king prawns natin. And then, antayin natin maluto talaga siya. Takpan natin ulit. Wow, yummy guys. Luto na siya. So, orange na. So, ito turn off ko na. Then, finish. Product guys. So, luto na siya. So, hopefully, masarap siya. Taste natin. So, kunti la pala yung half kilo guys. Nabayad ko nearly $16. So, 16 pieces din ang prawns. So, wow. But it's yummy. Basayan. Masarap. Pati ulo kakainin kasi masarap. Kainin na.